Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me, no man, drop it in them. Eddie, no man.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction? Today, guys, we are with Deva Bratt. Yes, man. Factually, with King Killa. So, with all the things, with all the talks that's going on in dancehall right now, with who is the king of dancehall, Deva Bratt forward with King Killa. King Killa. So, whoever is the king, he is the killer of the king. Is that what's going on here? I don't know. People, if you don't want to reach out to me, if you don't want, especially young artists, that's right, not even, that have to be young artists. If you don't want to reach out to me, Instagram, Jamaica_race_gamer, please use that, yeah? That is the only Jamaica Race Gamer here. You can video call me, see me. You can send me voice note. I'm sending back voice note, whatever. Just for proof, see me, all right? So let's go! All right, King Killa, let's go.
Hear me now, man. Factually, you know it's Deva Bratt. I ain't playing. Me are the king for killing with simple killing. Boy, violate by time you quint me kill him. Now give me a dollar and a shilling for kill him. Him be a barber shop, I will trim me kill him. If just a wedding put on the ring me kill him. And don't tell me say I sin for kill him. Can me believe in a blinking, killing. Him a freak, so me send Shana chin for kill him, man. King Killa. Hard colder than ice, so me wear chinchilla. Hear me now, man. Factually, you know it's Deva Bratt. I ain't playing. Me are the king for killing with simple killing.
Yo, the beat, dum, like a stage show beat, dog, like a rough cut and that one here. Big up the one. Let me see if we can give proper credit to that one here. Who make you read him? Nobody tell me who make you read him. Shit, who make you read him? Big up yourself, Minchie, big up yourself. Ready?
Hear me now, man. Factually, you know it's Deva Bratt. I ain't playing. Me are the king for killing with simple killing, boy.
Me are the king for killing with simple killing. All right, I'm gonna try break it down.
I ain't playing. Me are the king for killing with simple killing, boy. Violate by time you quint me kill him. Now give me a dollar and a shilling for kill him. Him be a barber shop, I will trim me kill him.
You know what this remind me of? When Anthony be there on stage and he must say, yo, give me this. Dum. And you see him start doing movements and the drummer start work with him. Yeah, excitement. Why?
Hear me now, man.
Why?
Factually.
Deva Bratt.
You know it's Deva Bratt.
Easy, man. Look on the thumbnail. Look on the thumbnail. Well, man, look on the thumbnail, man. You see JR just with the hand in his pocket. With the crown on him head. You see, Walipa chest. Walipa chest pieces are fly all over the place. What a blood clot. Yo.
Me are the king for killing with simple killing, boy. Violate by time you quint me kill him. Now give me a dollar and a shilling for kill him. Him be a barber shop, I will trim me kill him.
Hey, boy, violate, but as you quint me kill him. As if violate 12 o'clock by 1 past 12, me kill him. Me no want no money for kill him. Me no want nothing at all for kill him. Me do it for free because me enjoy it. Guess when I go catch a pussy? When him do a barber shop a trim, me kill him. Blood clot, brawling.
Hear me now, man.
Factually. From you want something that have to pay me, no man.
I ain't playing.
Wake up.
Me are the king for killing with simple killing, boy. Violate by time you quint me kill him. Now give me a dollar and a shilling for kill him. Him be a barber shop, I will trim me kill him. Him just a wedding put on the ring me kill him.
Him just a wedding put on a ring me kill him. As the pastor say, you may kiss the bride, boom, me kill him.
A barber shop, I will trim me kill him. Him just just everything put on the ring, me kill him. And don't tell me say I sin fi kill him. Can me believe in a blinking, blinking, killing.
Don't tell me say I no sin for killing, but guess what? Me believe in a blinking. What?
And don't tell me say I sin fi kill him. Can me believe in a blinking, blinking, killing.
Blinking for linking kill him. I what the blood clot Deva Bratt mean by that?
And don't tell me say I sin fi kill him. Can me believe in a blinking, blinking, killing. Him a freak, so me send Shana Chin fi kill him, man.
Him a freak, so me send Shana Chin fi kill him. Who we see Shana Chin apart with from where there? Who we see Shana Chin apart from where there? We see her apart with Addy when Addy did their Uptown Mondays. She did up on the stage with Addy. We see her apart with one of Addy's son them. Yes. We see how the blood clot. Shana Chin the man said, yo.
Believe in a blinking, blinking, killing. Him a freak, so me send Shana Chin fi kill him, man. King killer, king killer. Hard colder than ice, so me wear chinchilla. Hear me no. King killer, king killer. When we squeeze chica boy head bust pampilla.
When we squeeze chica boy head bust pampilla. So it's a personal death you go get in your bed, you get it in a dog. Yo.
Hear me no. King killer, king killer. I pussy them, the whole of them a friend killer. Hear me no. King killer, king killer. Take them 3 pints, cause we skill a Reggie Miller. One to you come in a barrel, you stop in the back, get shot in the face, I drop in the lap. Shit.
Bumbo clock!
Factually. Pull the bunch up it again. Yo, crack it back.
What?
Factually, you know it's Deva Bratt. I ain't playing. Bumbo club. Me are the king for killing with simple killing. Boy, violate by time you quint me kill him. Now give me a dollar and a shilling for kill him. Him be a barber shop, I will a trim me kill him. Him just everything put on the ring me kill him. And don't tell me say I sin for kill him. Can me believe in a blinking, blinking, killing. Him a freak, so me send Shana Chin for kill him, man. King killer, king killer. Hard colder than ice, so me wear chinchilla. Hear me no. King killer, king killer. When we squeeze chica boy head bust pampilla. Hear me no. King killer, king killer. I pussy them, the whole of them a friend killer. Hear me no.
You're the first, you're the first, you're the first. No, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. Lyrics.
One to you come in a barrel, you stop in the back, get shot in the face, I drop in the lap.
One to you come in the barrel, you stab in the back, get shot in the face, you drop in the lap. Me catch it the blood clot. One go. One to you come in the barrel. Let's go again.
Friend killer, hear me no. King killer, king killer. Take them 3 pints, cause we skill a Reggie Miller. One to you come in a barrel, you stop in the back, get shot in the face, I drop in the lap. Shit in a plate, shit in a pot. This is the truth, this is a fact.
Big up Shalab. Shit in a plate, shit in a pot. Yo, me no want nobody come tell me say me a pass it too much, you know. If you don't want to hear the full song, go up on Deva Bratt channel. Type in Deva Bratt in YouTube and you will find it.
You stop in the back, get shot in the face, I drop in the lap. Shit in a plate, shit in a pot. This is the truth, this is a fact. Deva Bratt, you must shop with the back and I got fear attacking the crop where trap. Lift up the.
This is the truth, this is the fact. Deva Bratt ever strap with a Mac. Kill any.
Shit in a pot. This is the truth, this is a fact.
Deva Bratt ever strap with a Mac.
And I got fear attacking the crop where trap. Lift up the broomstick, lift up the map. Don't have to run, she buff it up, not fighting. If you see them girlfriend, pan the tip of me cock. 100 Bacala Island, freaky rum, same thing if you see Passy Rock.
100 Bacala Island, freaky rum. What?
If you see them girlfriend, pan the tip of me cock. 100 Bacala Island, freaky rum, same thing if you see Passy Rock. Rape this, rape that, Judas, straight to that, the argument is.
Oh, wait.
Freaky rum, same thing if you see Passy Rock. Rape this, rape that, Judas, straight to that, the argument is still a fail, a featherweight, a paper that, man.
So, he must say cartel as a rape at this and rape at that. So, he must call cartel traitor this, Judas that. So, he must say, yo, the argument, the light argument, the steal out argument, that find something new that he must share.
If you see them girlfriend, pan the tip of me cock. 100 Bacala Island, freaky rum, same thing if you see Passy Rock. Rape this, rape that, Judas, straight to that, the argument is still a fail, a featherweight, a paper that, man. King killer, hard colder than ice, so me wear chinchilla. Hear me no. King killer. When we squeeze chica boy head bust pampilla. Them know man. King killer. I pussy them, the whole of them a friend killer. Hear me no.
King killer.
Take them 3 pints, cause we skill a Reggie Miller. Deva Bratt the king for killing with simple killing.
Well, on a 3 verse, you get to find a dog.
pints, cause we skill a Reggie Miller. Deva Bratt the king for killing, bro. Simple killing, boy. Violate by time you quint me kill him. Now give me a dollar, never shilling for kill him.
Two verse.
Shop a whole lot trim me kill him. Him just a wedding put on the ring me kill him. And don't tell me say a sin fi kill him. Can me believe in a blinking killing. Him a freak so me send Shana chin fi kill him man. King killer. Hard cooler than ice so me wear chinchilla. Them no man. King killer. When we squeeze trigger boy head bust pampilla. Hear me now. King killer. I pussy them. The whole of them a friend killer. Hear me now. King killer. Take them 3 pints, cause we skill a Reggie Miller. The Deva Bratt a real king killer. Hard cooler than ice, so me wear chinchilla. Hear me now. King killer. When we squeeze trigger boy head bust pampilla. Hear me now. King killer. I pussy them. The whole of them a friend killer. Hear me now. King killer. Take them 3 pints, cause we skill a Reggie Miller.
Wow. Fucking wow. Whoa. At this point, teacher, you should never call it Deva Bratt name, bro. Like, you just wake him up, dog. At this point, when the fixed it asks you question about Deva, but they say your next question, you don't want to talk about that, brother. Cause boy, oh boy. What can I say? That song about your fuck. Brother. Deva Bratt, big up yourself, my G. Comment section. I'll be down there, man. I'll be down there.
Then you never know what's up party. Girl, them a call and a ball and a lily link from girl from New Zealand, Canada, New York, love worst game of reaction. Girl from Puff Bay, Portland, Nochi, St. Ann, St. Mary's, Lily Linton, Girls Hill, Gal, Tigo, Gal, Deville, Jungle, Tivoli, Rona, Lily Linton. Actually, factually, you know it's Deva Bratt representing for Jamaica's worst game. Are you hear me, man?